When creating or updating a bolt schedule, it's necessary to specify the trigger type or how your bolt schedule will run in production. The first trigger type is a standard scheduled run. This uses cron syntax to specify the time and frequency of your scheduled runs. You can input the cron syntax directly into the field or use our cron preset. The second trigger type is on-run completion, which triggers the current schedule when another bolt schedule finishes. To configure this, you need to specify the workspace name that contains the triggering schedule, as well as the name of the triggering schedule itself. Next, you specify if this schedule will run when the triggering schedule passes or fails. For instance, we can set it so that this schedule will only run if the triggering schedule passes. The last trigger type is onMerge, which is ideal for continuous development workflows. This trigger type will automatically run a bolt schedule when a pull request is merged into the branch you specified above.